Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about the cutoffs. So Kaplan 1 cutoffs are already out. So the cutoffs are very high, and that's the surprise factor for most of the students, including me as well, that the Kaplan 1 cutoff have never gone that high. Fine, the reason for that are fourfold. Number one reason, main reason, is the number of applicants have gone up to 87,000. So there's around 25% increase in the number of applicants as compared to last year. So obviously cutoff was supposed to go up. So that is the number one reason why the cutoffs which you're seeing are up. Number two reason why the cutoffs are high in Kaplan 1 is because of trust for CET. ठीक है, लास्ट 3-4 साल से there have been lot of problems going on in CET. कभी एग्जाम का पैटर्न बहुत इजी आ गया, कभी मिस्टेक बहुत ज़्यादा आ गया, कभी JBIMS was out of the process. So because of all these reasons, the trust from CET was going away. So people, even I recommend it to students, तो जहाँ एडमिशन मिल रहा है ले लो. Don't wait for the CET process. But this year onwards, last 2 years, they become more stable now, 2016-17. So because of that, the cutoffs, the trusts have come in. So people are waiting to get admission to a good college through CET. Okay. So that's second reason why the cutoffs are high, because people ka trust have increased in the CET-based colleges and the process. Number three reason why the cutoff is high, which will fall now in Kaplan 2, is that it's free. Kaplan 1 is totally free. जिसने बाकी जगह एडमिशन ले भी लिया है, KJ आया, PGDM का फॉर्म ले लिया, या IIM इंदौर, IIM लखनऊ, न्यू IIMS हो गया. So they are just filling the form for the Kaplan 1 because there is no charges for that. It's a free of cost. So I just to check, because मैंने एग्जाम दिया था, प्रिपरेशन किया था, just went to see where I stand. तो मैंने प्रोसेस भर दिया था. ठीक है ना. All these people will go out because now you have to pay fees. Now you have to pay 5,000 rupees to float. ठीक है. To pay X amount of money to be in the process. तो ये सारे फालतू की लोग निकल जाएंगे. So because of that, you will see a fall in the cutoff for Kaplan 2. Okay. Fourth reason is the refund. Fine. So people who have joined the other B schools, for example, मैं नारसी मोदी ज्वाइन कर लिया, SIBM ज्वाइन कर लिया, MDI गुड़गांव ज्वाइन कर लिया, IFT ज्वाइन कर लिया, अभी मेरा JB में confirmation आ गया. So now I have to leave that seat and come to JB. But if I ask for a refund to that, most of the colleges will not give you a refund. Even though they have a policy, but नखरे करेंगे, लेट करेंगे, काट के देंगे. So if they cut you 5-6 lakhs, so make no sense to leave IFT or SP Jain for JBIMS or SIBM Narsi Monji for Freedom College. ठीक है, आपको समझा what I'm trying to say. So now those people are not going to come back. They have filled the Kaplan form, but they're not going to come and take admission. So because of that, it will fall. So whatever college you're getting in Kaplan 1, don't worry, wait for Kaplan 2. Cutoff उतरेगा. Main is your Kaplan 2. Kaplan 2 में जो कॉलेज मिल रहा है, 90% वही कॉलेज आपको फाइनल में मिलने वाला है. ठीक है. सो जो भी Kaplan 2 में आपको मिलेगा, 99% को फाइनल कर देना. ठीक है. सो यू कैन चेक आउट द रिमेनिंग कट ऑफ इन द लास्ट ईयर फ्रॉम cetking.com/CET. चेक आउट द लास्ट ईयर के कट ऑफ, सो दे कैन कम टू नो वेयर वी स्टैंड. You can see that Kaplan 1 cutoff were high, Kaplan 2 cutoff falls, Kaplan 4 again cutoff went high. So 2 is the ideal thing because जिसको रुकना था वो रुकेगा, जिसको जाना था वो चले जाएगा. ठीक है. So please go to the cutoff. So don't worry about that. Kaplan 1 में cutoff are always high. It's normal. It's very normal. Alright.